going to teach you how exactly you are going to solve the two simultaneous equations. So for example, I have 2x plus 4y equal to 18 and then 3x minus 5y equal to 14. Now the same equation how to solve using a calculator. So first I am going to show you using the Calci FX 991 ES plus. Okay. So just note using this calculator how to solve it. So first you have to go to mode. Okay. Press on the mode. There you have many options. Okay. Like COMP, STAT for statistics. Then equation table like that. So for solving the two simultaneous equations, you press 5 over here. Okay. Press 5. Then you will get a 4 option here with many number of variables and unknowns. So if you go to the first option, ANX plus BNY plus CN, so the first option shows that it has two unknowns, that is X and Y. If you go for the second option, it has got three unknowns X, Y, Z. And if you go for the third equation, it is of the form X square and X. Okay, single unknown but with a square. Again for the fourth option, X cube plus X square plus X of this form. So now right now for our electrical engineering, you just require the first and second option. Either will have three unknowns or two unknowns. Okay, so for solving now this first equation with two unknowns, we are going to choose the first option. Okay, ANX plus BNY equal to CN. I am going to press 1 now. Right, as soon as you press 1, okay, you get a matrix kind of thing. Okay, so this matrix has got three coefficients. Okay, A, B and C. So in the equation you just observe, you have coefficient of X as 2, Y as 4 and then constant term 18. Okay, so you need to enter in the first row here. Okay, so you have to enter 2, 4 and 18 in the first row. So first you type 2. Okay, you see that you have on the left corner down. Okay, when you press equal, it will just enter there. Okay, that is in the first row 2 has been entered. You have on the left corner down. Okay, when you press equal, it will just enter there. Okay, that is in the first row 2 has been entered. Okay, next for the second, that is the second column. Okay, 4 you have, right, coefficient of Y. So that you have to enter in the next where it is showing now. Okay, so there I have to enter 4. So just type, press on 4. Okay, and then here you can see this left corner 4. Now you press equals. Okay, when once you press equal, you can observe here you have got 4 over here, right? Now the C option, that is this 18 you have to enter. Again enter 18. You will get on the left corner over here. Just say equals. So that will be entered in the C column, 0. Okay. So now first row has been entered as coefficients 2, 4 and 18. Okay. Now coming for the second equation. Second equation you have to enter in the second row over here. Okay, in the Calci. So for that, now you type, press 3 over here. Okay, then equals. So 3 has been entered in the second row as the first element. Again, next you have minus 5. Okay, for minus 5 what you have to do? Here on this you have minus, right, in the bracket, that you have to press minus. Okay, and then 5. Right, you have got here minus 5. Then press equals. Okay, so minus 5 has been entered over here. Now again equals 14 you have. Now on the last element you have to enter. Okay, that is, you just type 14. Okay, 14 you have pressed equals. Okay, now just observe in the entire Calci. Okay, here you can see that you have entered the coefficients 2, 4, 18 in the first row. Then you have entered 3, -5 and then 14. Okay. So when once you have entered everything, okay, now you press equals again. Okay, press equals again. Now see the value what you have got for x. It is 73 by 11, right? So now that is in fraction. Okay, whatever you have got the value for x is in fraction. Okay, now to get in decimal, okay, you have a option here, s to x. It is 73 by 11, right? So now that is in fraction. Okay, whatever you have got the value for x is in fraction. Okay, now to get in decimal, okay, you have a option here, s to d. Okay, s to d option. See here you have s to d option. Press that. You will get the same value in decimal. Okay, so x value has been given in decimal, 6.636. So that is a value of x, okay, of one unknown. Right, now second value, again you press one more time, equals. Okay, so you are getting the value of x as 13 by 11. Okay, again that is a fraction. How to convert fraction into decimal? So again you have to press the option here, s to d. See, now you can observe the fraction value of y as 1.1818. Okay, so that is the value of the second unknown y. Okay, so have you followed with the two unknowns? Okay, how to do it in Calci? That is fx 991 es. Okay, in this Calci. Now the same problem if I have the Calci of this type. Okay, if I have the Calci of this type, that is 991 ms. Okay, the same equation, how to solve it? Now you just observe. So here you can just go for the mode over here. Okay, mode. See, you have got equation mode, no? So one as the equation mode. Press 1 here. Okay, you got here. So it's asking for 2 unknowns or 3 unknowns. So in the right now, whatever equation I have written here, we have 2 unknowns, right? So you have to choose 2 over here. So press on 2. Okay, I have just pressed 2. So see, it's asking for A1. A1 means here the first equation, the coefficient of x. Okay, that is A1. Then this will be B1. Okay, this will be C1. Again, this is A2 and this is B2 and this is C2. Right? Like that it will ask in this particular Calci. Now enter the value of A1. So what is A1? 2. So just press here 2, then equals. Okay, now and this is B2 and this is C2, right? Like that it will ask in this particular Calci. Now enter the value of A1. So what is A1? 2. So just press here 2, then equals. Okay, now it has been entered in the memory, but it will not be shown here, right? Okay, so now next you have to enter B1 value. B1 is 4. Okay, press 4 equals. Then you enter for C1 value. What is C1 value? It is 18. So just type 18. Okay, 18 here. Then press equals. That has been assigned. Now it is asking for A2. So what is A2 here? It is 3. So now 3. Okay, again B2 is -5. So again minus you have to see in this bracket. Okay, same. It's minus and 5. See here, you can see -5 equals. Then that will be assigned to B2. Now it's asking for C2. So C2 is how much? It is 14. So just press 14 equals. Okay, that has been assigned. Now just see the value of x, what you are getting. It is 6.636. That is the value, okay, of the first unknown. Now how to find out second one? Again press equals. Okay, just press equal. you'll get the value of y as 1.182. Fine. So this is how you are going to solve for two unknowns in case of the Calci FX 991 MS. Okay. See you in the next video for three unknowns. Thank you.